Shanny. Chim Chim. He's like, look. Okay, let's look over here. Well, I was looking on the ground and I realized I was finding a lot of skins of the cicadas, like on the ground. Where'd he go? Where's he at? She's like, look, there's one, and then they're hanging off the, she won't let me, she's bumping me. And then I go up the tree and I'm like, wait, there they are, like, hold on a second. And I come up and I'm like, holy cow, this is the deal, okay? Look at the back side of this leaf. I'll try to get a better light. There's their shells of their skins, and they're just in this apple tree. I'm like, whoa. I know the light is not good for this video, but pretty nifty, huh? Wow, just all these leaves. I could shade it with my hand, maybe it'll... Yeah, and they're all on the fence too. Not as much. This wood fence, there's a few. It rained really hard last night, but that's why I was like, wow, I didn't think they'd stick in the trees like this. Creepy. All right.